In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21, and let me show you how to change clock sound on the following device. So at first you need to open your clock app, and wherever you are, if it's alarm, world clock, stopwatch or timer, you've got three icons in right upper corner, smoothly mark it, and go to settings. And now locate timer, tap here, and here you can select the sound that you would like to apply. So it can be, for example, fan house. You can also pick the volume. Let's go back, and as you can see, from now on it is activated. So this is the sound that is applied right now to your clock. Obviously you can also turn off the sound, just tap here and then enable vibration only, but I will stay with this sound, and this is how you can change it. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.